So I wanted to share a little healthy breakfast inspiration when I am in a pinch and when I'm active or about to work out. This is a really easy, healthy breakfast. So I like to use Ezekial bread because it is low in sodium. The ingredients are pretty basic. They use sprouted grains and whole wheats, and there's a lot of protein in it, and it's only, I think, about 15 grams of carbs per slice. So pretty good. Food is food for life. So then I will spread the bread. I'll toast the bread and then I'll spread it with some no sugar added peanut butter. And this is just regular peanut butter, regular peanuts crushed. So there's no other added ingredients. It's just organic peanuts. And then what I like to do, well, put a little cinnamon on the peanut butter because I like how that tastes. And this is just regular cinnamon. No cinnamon sugar. Just adds a nice little sweetness without adding sugar. Then what I'll do is add a banana. I'll slice it up and I'll put it on. Good. And then on top, I'll add a little flaxseed. For some extra nutrients, and then some chia seeds. And there you have it. Healthy, quick, protein-packed breakfast.